name's Jan, and yes, I'm in love with an 80-year-old Canadian maple tree. I love the maple tree. I just feel so free around it. So beautiful. How did it start, you ask? Well, I was walking my dog and I saw this beautiful, beautiful tree that my dog was peeing on. And I walked up to it with the sun right around it, and I said, "You're mine. I love you. We're together forever." I love you, tree.
If it makes you happy, then go right ahead. Put your feet on the ground and leave it all again.
Sure, the tree's a lot older than me, but I'm okay with that. I mean, once you're in love, you're in love. It's like waking up and having a smile on your face every day, knowing that you're with that special someone or thing. Thing.
Yeah, I guess I am kind of responsible for setting up the couple. One day she was walking in my yard with the dog, saw the tree, the rest is history. I guess I don't really care, she's always in my lawn. She doesn't really bother anyone. I mean, it is true love, right?
There's never a problem knowing where he is, because I know always where he is. I can see him whenever, wherever, but I always know that he's there. It's not hard being in love with a maple tree. I mean, I wear the pants in the relationship, and I can get whatever I want whenever I want. I can get the leaves or the branches or the love from the tree.
If it makes you happy, then go right ahead. Put your feet on the ground and leave it all again. And I accept your concerns, but I know that it's not right. Let's go.
In one single moment your whole life can turn round. I stand there for a minute staring straight into the ground, looking to the left slightly then looking back down. World feels like it's caved in, proper sorry frown. Please let me show you how we could only just be for us. I can change and I can grow or we could adjust. The wicked thing about us is
I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that. As many times as we've loved and we've shared love and made love,